What if AI could create an entire audio scene from just a text description? Listen to these voices.
Well, that is why I never buy cheap luggage anymore.
The weather is quite nice today, isn't it, Josie?
And all of this is possible with MiDashengLM-Gen, blending speech, music, sound effects, and environmental acoustics into a unified audio scene. In this video, I'll show you how to install MiDashengLM-Gen, the formats and prompts you can use to generate voices, and how to create your own AI audio scenes. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest AI tools and tutorials. Well, let's get started. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of MiDashengLM-Gen. On this main page you can read its documentation and every detail you need to know from here. Good thing they're Hugging Face space of this to try before installing. To install locally you need at least 4 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, Visual Studio FFmpeg, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch and easily install them. Once you're ready on Hugging Face space page, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path to open new command prompt window. Paste Git clone code. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Copy pip upgrade code and paste back in command window to upgrade pip. Now install PyTorch. This will only work with PyTorch 12.8. Go to main page of PyTorch and copy code. Copy 12.6 code because it's only there and paste in command window. Change 126 to 128 and add torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Remove torch audio from list and add spaces in Gradio, then save requirements file. Run requirements code in command window to install requirements. After requirements installed, run main code. Running main code first time will download models. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch MiDashengLM-Gen. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click and use it anytime. To use it, type prompt. Their style of prompt you can learn from main page. Result depend on main prompt. Click Generate Audio.
The weather is quite nice today, isn't it, Josie?
And that brings us to the end of this MiDashengLM-Gen tutorial. As you saw, MiDashengLM-Gen can do much more than simply generate a voice. It can bring together speech, music, sound effects, and environmental sounds to create a complete audio scene from a structured text description. We also went through the installation process, the different formats you can use, and how to structure your prompts to generate different voices and audio scenes. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, local AI tutorials, and new audio generation models. And if you have any questions or interesting use cases for MiDashengLM-Gen, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.